got this one is wedding gift. Wedding anniversary gift. Yeah, I got this from my husband. I got this from him, and I don't know. Oh yeah, it's from makeup. So it's a lot of makeup. Beauty. So I gonna open it, but I trying to. Alam niyo ba guys, nagmamadali kasi kami gawa nang pupunta kami ng IKEA, and then after pupunta kami sa sister ko. So I try to hold this product, but I think I cannot do it today because I don't have enough time. Oh my god, it's too much, honey. Oh, a lot of lipstick. I gonna show you guys next time. Kasi paalis kami ni Kim. Honey, thank you so much. Thank you. But where I gonna put this? Oh my god, it's a lot. It's a lot. A lot of lipstick and oh my god, it's a lot. It's too much. It's the same product, but this one is guys, a lot of random stuff. So I gonna hold next time, soon, very soon. And I got a gift from my colleague in Barnihage. This one I got a Gabi cord from my boss, and this one I got a, I don't know, white wine I think, from my leather Vitvin. And then I got this cool pink bottle, pink, yeah, Destur pink, honey. Yes, it's a very cool flask of white wine. Not pink wine, right? I got this from my colleague. So I need to buy something for them because it's gonna be next week of Barnihage, in Barnihage, because it's gonna be summer holiday. So magko-closure daycare and then babalik ng August kasi summer holiday, guys. So now we need to go. Guys, haggard ako kasi kagaling ko lang sa work, tapos I received message from Kim na dumating na yung gift niya para sa akin. Kaya ayun guys, this is my outfit. Punta kami IKEA. This is a baby dress that I was ano nga ba yun? Yung hinol ko last time. This one guys. So, and then short underneath. Yun guys, it's really nice weather today. It's very hot. I think it's 26 degree. Yan guys, papunta na kami ng IKEA. Talagang walang pahinga. Inano ko lang, nagpalit lang ako ng damit kasi basa ako ng pawis. Dahil nagbibisikleta nga lang ako from work. Kasi wala akong pambili ng ticket, ganun eh. Hindi kasi summer, training na rin. Sige. Andito kami guys sa IKEA, katatapos lang namin mag-dinner. And then naghahanap kami ng upuan at saka tungtungan ko sa kitchen para abot ko yung mga gamit namin sa kitchen kasi nahihirapan ako, wala kaming hagdan na maliit. So guys, hi guys, on the way na kami sa kapatid ko. So doon kami tutulog tonight, and then after diretso kami ng Sweden. Ayun ang plano. So guys, now it's 7:30 in the evening, but it's still the sun. The sun is still masakit pa rin sa skin. Right, honey?
Yeah.
The sun is still strong. It's very pain in my, you feel the pain in the skin. Yes. Andito na kami. Mag-ano lang kami. Maniobra. Mag-maniobra lang kami. Ang bilis mag-drive ni Kim. Parang yung 25 minutes. Yeah. Exactly. Kunin ko lang yung mga gamit namin sa loob kasi ito kami mag-sleep over. Son, the jacket, kay trainer, ikay jacket. Son, yeah, just only the beer. This one. Guys, bumili ako ng aloe vera. Lalagay ko sa bedroom namin kasi hindi ako nakakatulog. Ano daw to eh? It helps na sa oxygen ba. Dito na kami, guys. Ba, are they ba the baseng? Kanske de apile, Kim. Pinakita ko yung aloe vera sa inyo, guys. Tingnan yung aloe vera ng kapatid ko. Nanay. Yung sa akin pinakita ko, anak. Ano laki nung sa kanya, oh. Dito na kami sa bahay, guys. Tulog na yung pamangking ko. Hindi ko na nakita.
So, 10 cm?
Ayun, oh. Pakita ko na lang yung picture. They are mama? They are papa?
Ja.
Oh, they are mama.
Sarah, med läppestift.
Oh,
Och med lang oj.
så fint. Så flink du är,
Jag är
Ida.
Kerstin.
Oh ja, det är kärste. Ja, så flink du är, Ida. Så flink du är att tegne. Dinurowing daw niya yung... Ito daw yung kanyang tatay. At ito yung nanay niya. Dinurowing ni Ida.
Och bygga mig.
Ja, bägge bilder av dig. Ja, Ida. Så flink du är, Ida och Tiny. Dito kami, guys. May pool party here. Say pool party. Pool party. Good morning, guys. It's 1st of July 2017. So, kakain lang kami ng breakfast and then punta na kami ng Sweden. Hi. Say hi. Hi to your...
Hej.
Vad heter du?
Ida.
Vad porteller Noah? Vad har du gjort i barnehage?
Jag har lekt med Odin, William, Ina.
Oj, vem är din bästa vänner?
William, Odin,
Oj, du har många
Ina.
Oj, du har många bästa vänner i barnehage. Det är snill. Det är så bra. Hi guys, it's 11 in the morning and then we are ready to go to Sweden. Ay, nag-aayos na kami. Ayun guys. Yung kapatid ko ng electric fan. It's too hot. Sobrang init ngayon. It's very nice weather. It's very nice weather. It's 1st of July. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
So, ready to go. Nandito kami sa Kawalan, guys. The Norway is here. The Norway is like here. Right, honey?
Yes.
No houses, just only grass. Rockabye, baby. Nandito kami guys sa bilihan ng candy. Ang sakit ng ulo ko kasi sobrang init guys. Dito kami, konti lang ang tao. Tinitingnan kasi namin kung saan yung mas mura. Actually marami kasing mall din dito. Pero different prices sila ng mga product. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko guys kasi sobrang init. Ang init din sa loob ng sasakyan. The time is 3:30 in the afternoon and then pabalik na kami sa Norway. Nasa Norway na pala. Pabalik na kami sa Oslo. And then this 27 degree guys is really really hot. So kawawa naman yung halaman na binili ko. Tapos yung mga pinamili naming meat. It's too hot. So nandito kami sa Kawalan. Nag-stop over kami guys sa gasoline station kasi nagpabili ako kay Kim ng hotdog. Paano yung last meal namin ay breakfast pa and then now is 4 in the afternoon. So talagang gutom na ako. Ayun guys. So malapit na kami sa Oslo. Konting tiis na lang. Ano nga pala, merong ngayon Oslo Pride. May parade ng mga homo. So may event ngayon sa Centrum. Nakita ko may nag-live, ang daming tao. Hi guys, I gonna show you, galing kami sa IKEA kahapon, right? So I gonna show you guys what I got yesterday from IKEA. So I purchased some of random stuff. That one guys, so I gonna show you one. So guys, I got my aloe vera. I bought this from IKEA as well. So it's only 39 Norwegian crowns. Ayan guys. Kasi yung isang nabili ko sa Mr. Gron sa flower shop, I don't remember, maliit lang siya. So nung nakita ko to sa IKEA, binili ko na for 39 Norwegian crowns. And then I bought also 4 pieces of flower pot. This one guys, nilakihan ko na kasi marami akong ita-transfer na flower kasi mapapayat na sila. So 4 pieces of this flower pot, white color and 1 black. And then I bought also this one guys. Box na basket. Ilalagay ko dun sa, ganito yung itsura niya pag inassemble na siya. Maliit lang. So 2 pieces of this guys. And then bumili rin ako ng ayan guys, hangiran siya. Pag na-assemble na siya, ganito na yung itsura niya. So plano kong ilagay siya dun sa tabi ng bed ko. Ayan guys, para iyahang ko yung iba kong damit kasi hindi na siya kasya sa cabinet. So I got this, it's only I don't remember, but not so expensive. It's very cheap. Is 200, almost 200, 169, something like that. So I buy Tupperware also para may magamit ako sa sa lunch ko. Yan, may lalagyanan na ako guys. So I bought also 3 different picture frame. Dadagdagan ko kasi yung aking, ayun, yung nasa likuran ko, yung aking wall. Yan guys. So 3 different, no, this one is the same. So 3 picture frames. Yan guys. And then I bought also a pillow, 2 pieces of this kind of pillows. Yan. And then this one for the kitchen. Towel para sa kitchen kasi hindi enough yung nabili ko na ganito. Parang last time 4 pieces lang ata, so dinagdagan ko this one guys. Yan, ganito yung itsura niya, oh. And so para sa ihang ko siya sa kitchen ko. And then I purchased this one para sa toilet. This one guys. Yeah, para alisin ko na siya yung pink na carpet doon sa toilet ko. So this one pang toilet siya talaga. And then I bought a scent candle. So I think this one is lavender. Ang bango. No, it's not lavender. Yeah. I think the scent is blackberries. Something like that. So mabango siya. And then set of this, 1 set. This one, kitchenware. And then this one is Laken bed sheets, guys. So I bought also bed sheets. And then 3 pieces of hanger, guys. Yeah, para dun sa gagawin ko ang ihahang ko. And then tissue paper. This one. And for the cabinet also, for the spoon, fork, and then knife. This one. Kasi yung ganun namin, yung cabinet namin, iba yung nakalagay, parang iba yung nakadivided. So, ito yung pumili ako para naka-organize yung mga spoon, fork, and knife. This one, guys. And then I purchased this one also pang display para dun sa glass na base ko. Ilagay ko siya dun sa loob. Ito, guys. So, ang cute, diba? And then, this one. Yes. Pillows again. Pillow. And then, ano ba to? Ito, guys. 2 punda. Para doon sa 2 pillow. So, it's very cheap price from IKEA. And then, gonna show you. Ito, guys, kasi mabigat, hindi ko kayang buhatin para ipakita sa inyo. Ganito yung itsura, guys. Bumili ako para may tungtungan ako sa kitchen kasi medyo matataas yung mga cabinet. Pag nilalagay ko yung mga glass, hindi ko abot. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys, pag ina-assemble na. Yun lang, guys. Ayun lang yung mga napamili namin kahapon sa IKEA. Kasi nagmamadali kami. Parang 1.5 hour lang kami. Kasi nga pupunta kami dun sa bahay ng sister ko. Kaya talagang madalian lang to. Yun, guys. Yun lang ang pinamili namin sa IKEA.